When she finds out you're out of work, her low estimation of you is going to drop even further. Oh, it will. I promise. She won't be surprised. She's not going to think, oh my God, he lost his job. She's going to think, of course he lost his job, the friggin' retard. Good thing I got out when I could. Better not let Harry see too much of him, though. Wouldn't want Harry to turn into the distorted, disabled image of his friggin' drip of a father. I expect that's what she'll think. Life's tough, isn't it? Is it a lot harder than you thought it would be? I mean, I'm sure you thought it would be difficult, but that through sheer hard work and training and inspiration, or in your case, perspiration, that you would succeed in the end. And that through honest work behavior, you would be rewarded in the end. And that bad people like me would fall to the wayside, but that good people like you would triumph. Is that what you thought? Oops. Look in my face, don't you dare turn away, 'cause I'm losing my patience. Show me now you're the man that I wanna be with for the rest of my life. I have so much love to give you. Just open up your eyes and you'll see. Time after time, I find that I'm struggling to tell you what's burning inside. A glimmer of hope that you'll finally see. Still I remain quiet. I can't remain quiet anymore. No, I was not built to idly stand here, letting you make my decisions based upon your point of view. You never allowed me